Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the high-grade IBO Gundam Hajiroboshi. Before we start, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video, and more about them later. So we're unboxing the Gundam Hajiroboshi. So this is from the high-grade IBO line, and it's number 41. The mobile suit came from the Iron Blooded Orphans Order Hunt. So that's a game under the IBO Orphan series. So looking at the cover art, you can see the Hajiroboshi here with the smart mace and the crab shield. A short description regarding the Hajiroboshi. So the Hajiroboshi was developed from the Marchosias, and both of them uses the Gundam frame number 35. So the designation for both of them is ASW-35. So both the Marchosias and the Hajiroboshi have the similar designation. So looking at this pose, it's a very dynamic pose, and it has the new blue Bandai logo. So this model kit came out in August 2020, so it's a fairly recent model. So looking at the side, you can see a action pose of the actual model kit. So this one, it shows the smart mace, and it says that you can enjoy creating impressive poses by using the whole body structure. So this uses the IBO 15 frame, or runners rather. And then on this picture, you can see the crab shield. So you can open the claws to do some dynamic poses. And then here you can see some of the other parts, such as the thruster here, and then a short range rifle. So you can see the rifle there. Looking at the other side, you can see it's number 41 from the high grade IBO series. And then it's the same artwork as the cover art. And on this side, you can see the front and rear view of the model kit. And then a short description regarding the mobile suit from the Order Hunt. And then here it shows some of the other model kit from the IBO line. You can see the Marchosias and the Barbatos here. And then on this side, you can see the usual warnings and legal stuff. So looking at the other side, it's pretty similar, or it's similar to the other side and the cover art of the box. So let's see what's inside the box. So looking inside the box, we have one bag, two. We only have 3 bags from the box. And then we have the manual. So looking at the manual, you can see the cover art here, or the box art. You can see a short description about the Hajiroboshi here. And then a short description regarding the pilot, which is in this case is Wistario Afam. So on the back side, you can see some of the action poses that you saw from the box. You can see the smart mace there, and then the crab shield here, and then the rifle. And then at the bottom part of the back, you can see the color conversion here, or color guide. You can see, you could pause it so you get the numbers. And then the lineup similar to the box artworks. So let's open the manual. So we get the usual runner list and warnings here. So we only have 5 runners in this case, and then a PC parts and a fall sticker. And then a traditional high-grade manual with the black and white building instruction and the colored building instruction there. So all in all, we have 5 runners for this model kit. So this is runner A. You can see it's in the gray color. It's the inner frame, and it's pretty much similar to all the Gundam frame out there, like the Barbatos, the Azeroth, and Chimaris. So that's your A runner. Next is the runner B. So we have 2 B runners. We have B1 and B2. For B1, you have a gray color, black color, yellow, and red. So for the black color, you have the weapons. You have the mace there, and then some of the inner frames as well here. And then for the yellow, you have the V-fin, and then you have the chest part there. And these black parts are parts from the thrusters, and some of the red parts are for the legs. The B2 runner is the copy of the one for the thruster and for the feet. Next is the C runner. So C runner is in off-white color. So you have the outer armor. So you have the one for the legs, the skirt, the shoulder, the chest, and then this one is for the claws, I believe, and then the torso. So we have 2 C runners. So that's the C1, and this is the C2. And C2 is a copy of the leg armor and probably shoulder armor here. So that's your C runners. Next is the polycaps. So we have the traditional gray polycaps here. And it's pretty much straightforward and similar to the other Gundam frame out there. Next is the foil sticker. We have a lot of foil stickers than what we would like. And we have a bigger color correction stickers here, but most of them are just small color correction stickers. So that's your sticker. That's the quick unboxing of the high-grade IBO Gundam Hajiroboshi. So this model kit is pretty straightforward and pretty similar to the Barbatos and other Gundam frame IBO kits. So one thing that I didn't like is the number of foil stickers that is included in the kit. Overall, it's a pretty straightforward and standard kit. So if you're thinking where to get the model kit, you can just visit our video sponsor. Just go to their website and visit msmnstudio.com, and you can check their wide selection of model kits, paints, building materials, and many more. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I really appreciate it because it helps the channel a lot. And again, thank you for watching and keep building.